What up, guys? El Patronn here, Brooklyn Mitsubishi, and we're filming this show, and we got Mr. Mike Haas here. He's going to get to it in a minute, who he is, what he does. But I'm excited to have him on the show. He's actually going to be in my conference, so which we're going to talk about that as well, and we'll give you some content for you guys. How was your ride in, bud?
It was great.
It was good?
Smooth sailing. For Brooklyn
traffic.
Yeah, I mean, we made it. Took a few people out on the way here, but they're used to it, so it was all good.
Talk to me about this gift. You got me a gift, guys. Talk to me about this book.
Okay, so The Secret. So I got this book when I was a young guy in business, and The Secret is about the laws of attraction. So Rudy, you're a guy that you put stuff out there into the universe,
yes,
and and it rewards you. It comes back to you,
yes,
right?
10 times more.
So The Secret is about mentally focusing on the things that you want and not the things that you don't want.
Got it.
So in life, we live these crazy, hectic lives where something goes wrong. We put all our energy into what's going wrong instead of putting all of our energy into what we need to do to make it right. So The Secret is just like it sounds, the secret to the laws of attraction. Okay. So fantastic book, changed the way that I thought in my career. Right. And it just had really great impact. So I wanted to share it with you.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it. I'm looking forward to reading it in the morning. It's the only time that I really have. And we actually got to work out together today.
Yeah.
Right? So how was that?
That was good. I'm a workout guy. I like to try to get in there a few times a week, and when you travel, it's a little bit, more, complicated when you're in multiple states, multiple places. It is. So, anytime I get a chance to, go crash a gym with somebody and get a workout in, it's always a good and welcome.
Absolutely. So, all right. So, talk to me about your company. What do you do? What it is exactly that we're going to talk about at the conference. So, tell me, why Game Changer, Automotive Game Changer?
Okay, gotcha. Well, my name's Mike Haas. I'm with American Guardian Warranty Services out of Chicago. Been in the automotive business knocking on 30 years. I know I look pretty good for my age.
You do,
but,
actually. You do.
Almost 30 years in the business. Half of those years in the dealerships, doing the deal, selling cars, F&I, sales management. So, when we work with our agents and our dealer clients, we're not, we've walked the walk, so we know how to do the deal.
Yeah, you told me your story this morning. It's crazy.
Yeah, so great story. We'll share more about that later.
Yes.
But we are a company that supports agents and dealers nationwide in the automotive segment of business, RV, and power sports. We provide products, training, compliance. We provide all the things that a dealer needs to be successful. Menus. We're very competitively priced, and we specialize in reinsurance services that really help dealers become extremely profitable, running a parallel entity to their dealership.
All right, guys, we'll talk about that a little bit. We're creating more content for you guys, and we'll check out in the next video exactly. We'll go into detail why we talk about that and why is it important, which is what we're gonna have him at the Game Changer conference. He'll be speaking. He's one of our keynote speakers as well. And we're so glad you made it to the show, and we're happy to have you on the conference.
Yeah, thank you very much.
I can't
My
wait
pleasure.
for you to spit some fire on December 3rd. So, guys, click the link below if you haven't got your tickets. All right. So there's still room left. So let's make it happen, man. Let's bring out 2018. All right, guys. El Patronn out.